Where are we, Shay?
Voodoo Donuts.
Start the day off right.
Yeah.
Are you good? What the heck is this? We had the unboxing of the Voodoo Donuts.
Okay, some great packaging here, guys. Look at this.
It's the pink.
It's the pink with the
It
voodoo
looks like a
dude.
cube 3D, three-dimensional shape.
And it looks like you get a whole lot more than you think is in there because it's only 3 donuts. Well, do I have to eat that pepper?
We got the Ring of Fire, which is cayenne pepper, man. It's the Devil's Food Cake. We got the Homer Simpson donut, which is the
donut.
And we got the ODB right here.
Oh, that ODB looks good.
Mama stayed back at the hotel, so right now I'm chilling on the UCV little electric scooter. Taking it nice and easy today, but here's our first day at the Universal Studios, Florida. Yesterday we went over to Islands of Adventure, but this is our first little initial reactions to the first park of this resort. I don't know if they opened at the same time. I don't think they did, so I believe this is the original park. There's Shay being amazing. First and foremost, we got the Jimmy Fallon attraction. Avid watchers of the Tonight Show, so this should be interesting. I'll give you some live reactions afterwards. So we just got off of Jimmy Fallon. I actually thoroughly enjoyed that. It was a nice little simulator ride. It was like inside the theater. You got to race through New York City with Jimmy Fallon. It was fun. Through the gift shop, we met Hashtag the Canada. I'll add the photo here. I thought it was super cool. Got to meet Hashtag, got some photos. All around, I'd say it was a good 7 out of 10. But now we're about to ride Rip Ride Rocket. Okay, well the music was fun, but it beat the living poop out of me. Like my head is jostled.
It did feel like a rip ride.
It was a rip ride. It was a rip ride, and I was rocketed. I don't know. That doesn't even make sense, but that's all I had. It's true.
Yeah.
I got the credit, and that's what I can take out of that.
Yes.
Music was cool. I'm glad more rides should have that.
Banging. I was like, is that the name of y'all? But now I get it. I get it now. I get it. Now who was I supposed to say that to? Your cousin? Did you forget about your cousin?
A little overview of the land over the lagoon. San Francisco over here, where home of Fast and Furious Supercharged, and apparently Ghirardelli. I don't know if that's just for aesthetic or an actual Ghirardelli restaurant slash shop. I love their chocolate. I know the Wizarding Worlds are there, as you can see the little dragon. So we might check that out later. But for now, we're just taking it nice and easy, walking. Not a huge busy day in the park, but still enjoyable. Springfield, USA. But their claim to fame is a nuclear power plant. It's true. America is so proud. We're at Krusty Land. About to ride the Simpsons Ride, which is, drum roll please, a 25-minute wait. That isn't too bad. I think we could do that. Check out the carnival rides over here. Seen some big wins, some even bigger losses. So, just rode Simpsons. I enjoyed it a lot, but I think I can only ride it once because it's a simulator, like most. So it's quite jostling and moves around a lot of show scenes. So I'm a little bit dizzy. So now we're trying Alien Attack, which I know is a shooting ride, so I will tell you my scores afterwards. Hopefully I beat this guy. I got last. It wasn't even close. I got like 30-something thousand. He got like 700,000 something, and I think I got like 90,000.
90,000.
Pops back there, I got like 150. I don't know what I wasn't hitting or what I was, but I didn't do great either way. So it is what it is. Now we're going to check out Diagon Alley for the first time. this will be interesting.
Now here.
Pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool, man. I'm gonna be completely honest, it is very crowded in here. It's a lot of people. Some shows over here though, which is cool. I'm currently looking for Nocturne Alley because when I was researching this park, that was something that a lot of people recommended that I had to go find. So, currently that is what we were on the lookout for. We found it. We've been banned.
Dolores Jane Umbridge.
Decent logo to be honest, if nothing else. Okay, just rode Green Guts. Green Guts, very cool. It actually, I wasn't expecting it to be a roller coaster. I would definitely consider it a roller coaster. It had a tilt track, very dark, so I really didn't know what was going on, but like the cart spun and everything. It was super cool. A lot of real elements and screens. Pretty cool all in all. Probably give it about a solid 8. Maybe no more, no less. Solid 8. I would definitely do it again. Single rider is definitely the way to go. Like I got on and off in less than 10 minutes, even though it's like a 50-minute wait. So I would recommend that to literally anybody. So definitely go single rider. Time to be insanely disappointed by an attraction with more screens. We have been given multiple pieces of advice not to ride Fast and Furious.
Shout out to both Lorraine and Marley for telling me not to ride this ride.
But we're doing it for the memes. We'll report back. That sucked. Shay?
Just gotta point back over to me. Yeah.
It was a waste of space. Oh, there's like, I mean, it's it's a bunch more screens. It's, I'd never seen any of the Fast and Furious shows or movies. I don't think I am anytime soon after that. It wasn't great. There was no wait. We ran to the single rider line because it said it was 25-minute wait. We've gotten to the station, not a soul in sight. It's just us. 2 single riders where they put us both in the back row. And the entire thing is more simulated dark ride. It's like the Kong vehicle. It's like the party bus, quote unquote, for the party that I didn't want to be at. It was like, it was so weird. There's just things happening that I didn't understand. And none of it was like connected to each other. I got sprayed with water even though there was no water in sight. I didn't know what was going on. It's like the same IP. They could have done so much cooler. I was thinking like, a test track style like drag race with some sports cars. Yeah, it would have been cool. Like, Radiator Springs Racers, that type of ride vehicle, do your own thing. But no, we got that and I'm depressed now. And I waited no line. Yeah, skip that one. Here we go, one of our last attractions of the day was we were doing the original E.T. Adventure attraction, which was here on opening day. It's the only attraction that Pops over here has ridden because he was here opening year. So here's all the possible line for this attraction. Let's see if it's worth it. I liked that ride.
I do too. Actually, that's actually probably one of my favorites. Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely top 3 in this park for sure.
Yeah.
Like I'm a sucker for like the non-screened attractions. There's a lot of screens here. Like a lot of the rides have those glasses and the 3D elements. And yes, are they much clearer? Could they have made E.T. more fluid in motion? Yeah, maybe. But there's something about the little solid animatronics. I just like it better. So even though that's I'm pretty sure that's the oldest in the park, I really liked it. Kind of has
reminiscent of Peter Pan.
Yeah, Shea was saying that's like kind of like the Peter Pan style mechanic. Kind of like but you're riding the bike obviously from the movie. So it's kind of like the suspended track. You know, you're dangling. Feels like you're flying. I thought it was really cool, and especially at the end, E.T. gets to read off everyone's names, which they did Shea and they did Chase, and then you know, for some kicks, this man over here decided his name is now Horatio, which E.T. did a dang good job of pronouncing, even though he has a horrible time with English, while no one else on his home planet does. But yeah, that's like a 9 out of 10 for me. I like that one. It was nice. It didn't make me dizzy, but I enjoyed it. Here's my favorite insect. Actually, I don't actually like bumblebees, but this one is made out of metal, so it's different.
The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky at night.
As we make our dramatic exit for the day, give us some wise words of wisdom.
Walking is good for the soul and for your mental health, but bad for your feet, bad for your actual soles, like your shoe soles. I mean, you also have an actual soul. I mean, like your feet soles. They're bad for your feet soles.
Also, have your toilet paper on the bottom side. If you're over the top, you're weird.
I'll just go with that. I don't have a preference.
Well, thank you for watching this little edition of Orlando Universal Studios with the Dixon Bros.
I'm Shay.
So don't forget to like,
subscribe.
Keep tuned here for everything awesome. And I'm Chase, and he's Horatio. Oh. That sucked.